Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your profile in the booking.com. So first thing that you need to do is open your booking account and go to your profile, tap on my account. And then from here, you will see a lot of menu here. So you just have to click on this personal details, tap on that. So from here, you will see your profile at the top right, and then you will see an camera icons. You just click on that, and then from here, you can then select a file that you want to change your profile to. So you just have to click on anywhere and then tap on save from here to confirm and change your profile in the booking.com. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!